Low sa check. Lamang ng dalawa. 2018. 50 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Shot clock violation. Foul penalty. Penalty na po. Penalty. 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 Tres po ba yung foul? Sa tres? Dos? Sa dos lang? Shoot or hindi, labas po yan. Bola ng team kanyo. Basket. Labas po yan. Bola ng team kanyo. Basket. Deadlock. All 20. Labas po yan. Labas. 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 Pag penalty, labas na po. Labas na yan. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Kuya Edgar, 23, no will 3 baba, iapitin ko na side. Steal, 5, tako na sa Iril. Boscard. Boscard. Boscard pa rin. You play 2 points. 22-20. Number 15, Kuya Dito. Wala pa rin. 3 baba. 1 minute and 19. Lamang na ng dalawa ang team car. 1 minute and 12. 15 seconds to shoot. Car. Paso ang kaldan. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Jerome Damasco. Datang. Datang. 2 points. 24-22. 40 seconds left. 39 seconds left. 17 seconds shot clock. Team card. Team card. Dalawa. 30 seconds left. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Not good. 3 by. 18 seconds left. Shot clock off. 15 seconds left. Wala na mong shot clock yan. Jerome. Not good. 10 seconds left. 8 seconds. 4 seconds left. 4 seconds. Wala pa mong penalty. Second team ball pa lang. Lamang ang team Carl ng dalawa, 24-22. 4 seconds, shot clock off. 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 Pagkahando po, may oras na yan. 3. Foul. 30 foul. 30 foul. Dalawa pa. Wala pa penalty. 4 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And out the ball game, panalo ang team Carl with the score of 24-22. Napakaganda nanalo rin ang team Carl.
Ano, sino?